Buongiorno! We offer sophisticated Italian cuisine and an elegant atmosphere to enjoy with friends, family, and business associates too. Our private and semi-private event space are ideal for any corporate meeting, casual gathering, and other special occasions. As our venue popularity increases, we recognize the need to expand our interior to meet the growing demand. So we recently transformed the first floor patio and the second floor patio area into the perfect private indoor spaces.
However, the existing duct systems with fixed cooling capacities were insufficient for the expanded areas, and we quickly realized we needed to implement additional air solutions. Initially, we explored unitary products, which are widely used in the US. However, after consulting with Samsung, we ultimately chose to install the VRF DVM S and 360 cassette systems. In this space, originally a patio, there was no ceiling plenium to conceal the air ducts. As a result, if we wanted to install additional air conditioning, we had no option but to expose the ducts. Picture a large duct running overhead along the ceiling. Definitely not an ideal match for this cozy space.
Fortunately, the DVM S and 360 cassette system can deliver powerful cooling by connecting the two with just a bundle of thin refrigerant pipes, eliminating the need for ducts altogether. Additionally, enhanced cooling performance can be achieved by purchasing and connecting extra indoor units. The expandability of the DVM S system is its appealing feature for a growing business like Calabrese.
What I appreciate most about Samsung's HVAC solution is its flexibility. Unlike traditional ducted systems, we can easily adjust the temperature, airflow, and direction of each indoor unit with just the touch of a remote control. If only some of the patio spaces are in use, we can turn off the indoor units that aren't needed, significantly reduce electricity use.
Additionally, the first of its kind bladeless circular design of the 360 cassette blends beautifully with the space and distributes cooling air in a full 360-degree horizontal flow, ensuring that customers' comfort no matter where they're seated.
This HVAC solution grows with our business, making Samsung a trusted partner in our continued success.
We sincerely appreciate the innovation. Thank you, Samsung.